In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use board view in Smartsheet. If you've ever wanted a clear visual way to see your work grouped into meaningful categories, board view is a great option. Think of it like a digital wall of sticky notes organized into columns, so you can quickly understand what's in progress, what's completed, and everything in between. Start with your sheet open. Look toward the top of the Smartsheet window where the main toolbar lives. Up there, you'll find a drop-down menu whose label matches the view you're currently in. For example, it might say Grid, Gantt, Calendar, or Board, depending on what you last used. The name you see there always reflects your active view, so it's your quick indicator that you're in the right spot. Click that view drop-down to open the list of available views. From the menu that appears, choose Board. As soon as you make that selection, your sheet will switch over and display in Board view. Now that you're in board view, you'll see your information arranged in columns, often referred to as lanes. Each lane represents a category or status defined by a column in your sheet, typically a drop-down or symbol column. Your rows appear as cards under those lanes. Each card highlights the most important details from the row, like the primary column name, and may show quick indicators such as attachments or comments if they exist on that row. This layout makes it easy to scan what's where at a glance. If your board looks sparse or the columns aren't what you expect, that's usually a sign that the underlying sheet columns determine how lanes are grouped. The view reflects the structure that already exists in your sheet, so different sheets can display different lanes and details. That way, board view stays consistent with your data and avoids surprises. One helpful thing to remember is that board view is just another way of looking at the same sheet, not a separate copy. Any updates you or your teammates make in other views, like Grid or Gantt, carry through here automatically and vice versa. So you can rely on board view for quick visual insight without worrying about losing context. And if you ever want to switch to a different perspective, the same view drop-down at the top is your shortcut. Use it to select a different view whenever you need a timeline, a traditional grid, or a calendar look. That's all there is to it. By using the view drop-down at the top and selecting board, you can instantly see your work organized in a clean, visual layout that helps you understand progress faster and stay focused on what matters.